you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in Baldur's Gate 3, follow these steps to troubleshoot and optimize your game experience. This guide will help you identify and resolve common issues that may be causing the problem. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Baldur's Gate 3. If your hardware is below the recommended specifications, consider upgrading your components or adjusting the game settings for better performance. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your graphics card. Keeping your drivers up to date can resolve compatibility issues and improve game performance. Step 3. Verify game files. Open your game launcher, Steam, GOG, etc., and navigate to the game library. Right-click on Baldur's Gate 3, select Properties, then choose Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them. Step 4. Adjusting game settings. Launch the game and go to the Settings menu. Lower the graphics settings, disable unnecessary features like VSync or motion blur, and reduce the resolution if needed. This can help improve loading times and overall performance. Step 5. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background, especially those that consume a lot of system resources. This includes web browsers, streaming services, and other games. Freeing up resources can help the game load more efficiently. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the loading screen issue in Baldur's Gate 3. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance. Happy gaming!